Understanding cleft grafting. A guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, cleft grafting. This term is often used in botany and gardening, and understanding it can be quite fascinating. Let's explore what cleft grafting means and how it's used. Stay tuned to learn something new. Cleft grafting is a horticultural technique used to join two plants together so they grow as one. The process involves two parts, the rootstock and the scion. The rootstock is the part of the plant with roots, while the scion is a young shoot or twig. In cleft grafting, a cut is made in the rootstock, creating a cleft, or split. The scion is then inserted into this cleft. This method is commonly used in fruit tree propagation. Let's break down the steps involved in cleft grafting. 1. Preparing the rootstock. A vertical cut is made in the rootstock to create a cleft. 2. Selecting and preparing the scion. A scion with healthy buds is chosen and trimmed at the base to form a wedge shape. 3. Inserting the scion. The scion is inserted into the cleft of the rootstock so that the cut surfaces of both align properly. 4. Securing the graft. The graft is then tied and sealed to prevent drying and to promote healing. Cleft grafting is significant because it allows gardeners to combine the best traits of different plants, such as disease resistance and fruit quality. Save space by growing multiple varieties of fruit on a single tree. Restore damaged trees by grafting new growth onto them. I hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of cleft grafting. It's a wonderful example of how humans work with nature to create something beneficial. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about new terms, understanding cleft grafting adds to your knowledge. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!